Hey, what's up guys? This is Professor MJ, a university statistics professor. In this video, I'll give you two NHL playoff picks and also two leans. Alright, in case you did not know it already, I've posted NHL picks since the playoffs began in my Twitter and also in my Facebook group. Sometimes it's just much quicker to post a quick write-up as opposed to shooting a YouTube video or recording a podcast episode. So I strongly encourage you to subscribe to either my Twitter or my Facebook group so that you get all of my picks. The links can be found below. As you can see on these two platforms, so far my picks have gone 4-2 with a profit of 2.03 units after risking just 1 unit per play. So this means that if your typical bet is $100, well, so far you would have earned $203 by tailing my plays. Alright, so let's get to today's action. Here are my two official picks. Up first, I'm taking under 6.5 goals in the Chicago versus Edmonton game. Yes, I am that crazy, even though this series has seen a lot of goals so far. Now here's why I'm taking the under here. The line in game number 1 on under 6 goals was minus 107. And then in game number 2, the line was plus 102. And now in game number 3, the line is plus 124. Now these odds are clearly inflated due to overreaction to recent results. I know that many goals have been scored in the first two games, and that's why people are going crazy on the over. If you've been following me just a little bit, you know that I am a contrarian. That's where you often find value bets. And I strongly believe this is a value bet. So I'm taking under 6.5 goals on Chicago versus Edmonton. Alright, pick number 2 goes to the Colorado Avalanche against the Dallas Stars. The line is minus 127, which means 1.79 if you are more familiar with decimal odds. In this case, the reasoning is quite simple. I believe Colorado has the much stronger team. If you look at the goal differential this season, Colorado finished with plus 46 goals, while Dallas ended the shortened season with just plus 3 goals. So in this case, I feel like the Avalanche should be at minus 150 odds at least. Now I'm going to give you a few unofficial picks. So that means plays that I don't like enough to place a bet, but feel free to do whatever you would like. The first one is under 5.5 goals between the Lightning and the Bruins. Sure, these two teams have some offensive firepower, but I've noticed that when two very strong teams face each other with good offenses, they tend to play conservatively, and it ends up with low-scoring games. So we'll see what happens tonight. And my second lean goes to the Arizona Coyotes at plus 115 odds, which equates to 2.15 in this small format, against the Nashville Predators. Why am I taking Arizona here? Well, I feel like these two teams are pretty evenly matched, and Arizona could even be the slightly superior team. They finished the year with a goal differential of plus 8, while Nashville ended with minus 2. So getting positive odds seems like a good value for us. Alright, so this is it. I'll try to post as often as I can. A big thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my Twitter or my Facebook group to get all of my NHL plays in the playoffs this year. So this is Professor MJ, a statistics professor from Canada. See you guys.